you're new here, this is a series where fashion and cocktails combine. This is my last episode of Dry January because actually by the time you're watching this video it's probably February, but today is January 29th. I'm filming my last episode of Dry January. Then we're heading into actual cocktails and I'm super excited. But today I'm making a drink that I feel like, to me, I'm just like, I don't know about it because it's a matcha drink. It's a matcha mocktail, and I feel like it took me a long time to get into matcha, and I feel like matcha only belong in lattes. But I saw this matcha mocktail and I was very, very interested in it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try that because I think I have found my perfect matcha order. It took me a long time to get into matcha because I'm not a coffee drinker. However, I do want that like burst of caffeine. So I've learned to like matcha. So here's my matcha order at Starbucks. It is an iced matcha latte with almond milk with 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce and a non-dairy sweet cream cold foam on top. And I asked them to sprinkle a little bit of powder, cinnamon powder on top. And that is my Starbucks matcha order, if you're wondering. Now, I will sometimes ask them if they can make the sweet cream cold foam a cinnamon dolce cold foam. And most of the time they say yes. But if not, just a regular non-dairy sweet cream cold foam. And it gets the job done. It's the perfect amount of sweetness. It's not too sweet. But yeah, so today I'm making a matcha sour. Sounds crazy, but trust me on this, I've tried it already. It's really good, so I'm going to share the recipe with y'all. But before we get into that, of course, we got to get into the outfit details. So starting with my top, I'm not much of a lace girl, but when I saw this top, I was like, oh, that's super cute, and I had to get it. My top is from Cezanne. You may have heard me talk about Cezanne before. It is a Parisian brand, and they offer very good, high-quality clothes. Cezanne was nice enough to gift this top to me, so I like it because, like, you can button it all the way up. That gives, like, a little chic look. Wear the collar down a little bit. It's just lace all the way around, and it's very, very good quality. Let me show you. It doesn't look like that thin lace, almost like crochet a little bit, but it's really, really nice. So thank you, Cezanne, for this top and my pants. I love my pants. So one thing about me is I am a wide leg girly. Like when it comes to trousers, first of all, I'm a trouser girl. Y'all know I don't really like jeans that much. I'm a trouser girl. So when I find a good pair of wide leg trousers, I hop on them like immediately. My pants came from COS, and let me show you how fun and wide leg the bottoms are. All right, so these are the pants. They're so fun, right? Like, I love a wide leg trouser, and these are just like, it's giving Selena like bitty bitty bum bum. I don't know, like I love these pants so much, but I've had these pants for like 2 years from COS, and I absolutely love them. They're the perfect wide leg, dressing up, like super, super cute. My shoes are from Schutz. You may have seen this heel floating around. This is a YSL dupe, and I like these. They're very comfortable. I've been looking for the perfect sling back. These are comfortable. I can move around in them just fine. I bought these from Nordstrom, and so far they have been really, really good to me. I like them. So that's my outfit for today's Outfit on the Rock episode. Let's get into this drink. So the ingredients are very simple. All we need is matcha, simple syrup, and lemon juice. So I have my matcha right here. So I bought the ceremonial grade matcha. This came from Whole Foods. I believe it was about $25. This one is really good. I like this brand. It's called Aiya. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I'm butchering that brand. But okay, so let me show you up close so you can see. It's called Aiya matcha. All right, and then we have some simple syrup that I'm almost out of, but I made it at home. If you don't know how to make simple syrup, it's very easy. 1 part sugar, 1 part water. So I did a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of water, put it in a pot, let it, not exactly let it boil, but just let it warm enough for the sugar to dissolve. Super easy. And then I have some lemons that I cut up in half. I'm gonna use a whole lemon for the lemon juice, and then this one for garnish. good. I'm not mad at it. I'm starting to enjoy matcha. Like the more I drink it, the more I'm starting to enjoy it. It smells like, you know how like people wake up and gotta have like their coffee fix, or you wake up in the morning and smell coffee? I feel like matcha is becoming that for me. I don't really need a matcha fix just yet, but I am enjoying it way more than I would enjoy coffee. Like I just cannot get into coffee, y'all. Like sometimes if I do get coffee, it's more like a dessert for me because I'm adding all kinds of syrups and sugars and sweeteners that I don't need. So matcha, I don't need a lot. So we're gonna add 1 ounce of simple syrup and 1 ounce of lemon juice to this, and I think that should be our drink once we add ice. Now I have all of my ingredients mixed in my matcha bowl. I'm gonna pour it into the shaker. Shake it up. Actually, I'm gonna shake it and then put ice in it and shake again. I was trying to find a green outfit in my closet to match the matcha, but I don't wear a lot of color. Let me be honest with myself. I don't wear a lot of color unless I'm in the summertime. If I wear green, it's like an olive green. But I'm not a huge, like, if I were to wear color, I think orange and yellow are like my 2 colors that I like to wear when I decide to wear a color. And sometimes like a really, really, really good blue. But green and red are colors that I cannot like really get into. I wore red a little bit. I wore a red dress during Christmas time, but it's just never been my color. So I don't really have much green in my closet. So I went with this all black because I could never go wrong with an all black outfit. You can never go wrong with an all black outfit. So that's why I'm wearing all black today. I was feeling all black. Maybe one day I'll get some green, but today is not the day. All right, so let me add some ice. And now we strain. I promise you, y'all, it tastes better than it looks. It's not a lot that comes out in this drink. It's like a little mini drink. I will have to double it the next time, but it's not a lot. So this is what it looks like. It looks like an actually like healthy drink. It's a good mocktail. All right, so I'm gonna add a little lemon garnish. Okay, let's try it. I mean, I've already tasted it. I know what it tastes like, but I'm making it again for you guys, and I actually like it. The first time I tried it, I was very skeptical because I'm like, I'm just now starting to get into matcha, and to have a matcha in a mocktail, it wasn't sounding good, but I promise you it's good. So think of like a lemonade with a splash of matcha, like a matcha lemonade. It's probably good. It's good. This is the best matcha drink that I've had aside from my latte. I haven't had many matcha drinks, but I would drink this. Granted, I don't think you need a lot of matcha because I just don't want all that caffeine to be feeling jittery. So to me, this is like the perfect amount if you're trying to have a little mocktail. Speaking of, y'all, it's like 65 degrees in Atlanta today, so this is the perfect drink to have on like this nice weather. It's refreshing, like it's not too heavy, it's not too like it's the perfect drink. So if you're looking for a matcha mocktail, this is called a Matcha Sour, by the way. So all you need is a half a teaspoon of matcha, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 1 ounce of lemon juice, and you are good to go. And you're gonna mix your matcha with 1 ounce of hot water. Once you have that, mix all the ingredients, shake it up, add ice, boom, there's your drink. I hope y'all enjoyed today's outfit on the rocks. I will see you next time, and I'll be back with an actual cocktail next time.